SBUX, Starbucks, after hours report. The gap hits 43.40 and then there's an immediate short. The current prints are bid 42.50, buy 42.58 from the closing price of 41.40. That was the last print of it being up 22 cents. And we just got the earnings report. We'll talk a little bit about it. They only beat by a penny. Okay? And the thing that's important is that what the revenue is. So you got revenues rose 6.8% year to year to 3.03 billion versus a 2.95 billion consensus. That's all good and well. The commodity cost, in my view, has come down in prices globally. So that's one of the things that we'll be doing some training on. Global comparable store sales increased 9%. So people know that part of it. And that's on their global comparable store sales. That's a 13-week, it's comparative 13-week basis, driven by a 6% increase in traffic and a 3% increase in average ticket. Consolidated operating margins reached 14.8%, up 70 basis points over the prior year periods on a GAAP result, or GAAP, if you know what that means in earnings and whatnot. Right now, they like the news. However, the top end short remains at 43.40. And in after hours trading, if we come up here to the high end of this bar right here, and this is all live right now, you can see the prints here on Starbucks. Okay, 42.60, 4,300, 1,200 is going off. So you are getting what we call a little bit of the after hours trading action in Starbucks. That's the important thing to know, is that you close that 41.40, so you're a little bit above a dollar ratio after hours gap in the price action with 42.65s, and one's printing right now. So we're going to put limit orders out here at 43.30, so that if they do decide to walk the price higher than the bid and the ask here, then we would be executed above the market, which would reduce a great deal of capital risk entry. As you see, the 70 by 75s print, and they're printing now live on Starbucks. How do I learn how to make money in the after hours market between the weighted buyer and seller? This is the most interesting thing about after hours market, is what that emotion between that buyer and that seller is. MMTs. How to trade after hours. Put the shorts out up here at the high end of this bar. It would have to shoot up kind of like a big wick like that, and then it would drop right away. So if you have the limit orders above the floor and he pops it up there and it drops in price, you'll do fine on your after hours entry. Remember, take advantage of the market. Don't let the market take advantage of you.